Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here is how to change your default browser if it hasn't been done. When you install a new browser or new software, there is a little pop-up that will for once say, do you want this as your default app? And it works on the first run. If you haven't answered, if you haven't done any actions, it is not going to pop up again. And what happens is you're stuck at maybe having the wrong defaults for links and for all sorts of things. In Windows 11, Microsoft Edge is the default for the majority of stuff. And if you haven't answered the question, like I said, it will actually be the default. Even if you use Google Chrome, if you click a link, if you click anything system-wide that wants to send you to open the browser, it will open Edge instead of Chrome. To change this, you have to manually change all the defaults. You have to go to your settings, and in here, what you'll do is go to Apps, Default Apps, and set defaults for applications. You will type Edge, and you'll see Microsoft Edge. Click on it. And every single little option here, you will click and you will choose Google Chrome or whatever browser you want, and it's going to change it. And you do that for everything that you see is opening with Edge. You make sure that you change that to Google Chrome. And that's the way that things are going to make sure that they default to Chrome. When you open links, when you click on links within another app, whatever you do, types of files, for example. And of course, if you prefer for some applications, you could have a mix of some things open with Chrome, some things will open with, Edge, but you have to do it in a line by line. You have the default, file types. Each file type, you have to choose their defaults and change that and change it for every single thing. When Google Chrome is not offered, what you do is you leave it alone. It means that Google Chrome does not support opening this type of file. So everything that you can change that Google Chrome is offered, do it. And when it's not offered, you just leave it at Edge. And that's it. So that's how it's going to work, and that's how you're going to get pretty much the majority of things opening up with your Google Chrome browser. Or I use Google Chrome as an example here. You can do that with any browser installed. If you notice when I click, I have the choice of Firefox also, because I do have Firefox installed. So that's the difference. So choose your default apps by file type for your favorite web browser. That's the way it's going to work. And that's the way you'll be able to use your browser to its maximum as you wish. Hopefully that big updates won't mess up this and default back to Edge. But this is definitely a very negative side of the Windows 11 operating system. Everything is now very complicated to just have a default app for something, because Microsoft is intentionally here, and that is obvious, trying to have you use their own software and make it too difficult for anyone to change to their defaults of their favorite program. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.